Due to the programs of the Hayastan All-Armenian Fund, not only has our school been renovated, but the town of Shushi, after its liberation, is being rebuilt day by day. With charitable donations by Armenian benefactors in Russia, the fund began work on the complete renovation of the Khachatur Abovyan school in July 2010. The work is just one of the important initiatives that make up the Our Shushi project. One of the school wings has been renovated and a few classes are already being held there. Suitable conditions have been created for all of us. The challenge we face is to preserve all of this and realize real progress in the field of education. We need to work according to these new and favorable conditions. The school is a 3-story structure with 4 annexes that can accommodate 1,200 pupils, even though the number of Shushi pupils is still 3 times less. We've seen a rise in the number of pupils. Last year, at the start of the school year on September 1st, we had 300 pupils enrolled. Today, that number has climbed to 350. Parents really want to send their children to schools that offer suitable conditions for learning. Renovation of all 4 annexes is scheduled in the project. The roofs and outer facades will also be upgraded. A new heating system will also be installed. Principal Nalbandian says that parents were really impressed when they saw conditions at the newly renovated school on September 1st. It's no secret that many of our pupils do not enjoy such favorable conditions in their homes. The children are really excited and thankful. The complete renovation of the Khachatur Abovyan school in Shushi is one of the major projects undertaken by the All-Armenian Fund that directly impacts on all families in the town, inspiring hope towards the future. We want to express our thanks to our compatriots in the diaspora. They are really doing work that helps the nation. Such projects are aimed at rebuilding the homeland and to treat its wounds. A portion of these wounds has already been treated due to our benefactors. Work continues on what remains. With joint financing from the Eastern USA affiliate of the All-Armenian Fund and the government of Artsakh, the new Martuni Regional Hospital is being built. The existing run-down hospital, built in 1965, lacked the basic facilities to provide even a minimum level of medical care. The current hospital is old and unsafe. We either had to renovate it or build a new one. The cost is the same, but the new structure will have a normal basement. The current hospital was only partially repaired 16 years ago. This is the major reason why many patients from surrounding communities prefer to get treated at medical facilities in Stepanakert, a trip of some 60 kilometers. Right now, people are coming here to get treated. But if normal conditions are created, they will seek treatment here. When he mentions normal conditions, the hospital director refers to everything that a new hospital is outfitted with. We will have an emergency room, a polyclinic, a maternity ward, and departments of diagnostics, obstetrics and gynecology, and physical therapy. Doctors will be sent for retraining. There will be new equipment and new methods of treatment. We must prepare ourselves to work even more effectively. This is the second large initiative implemented by the Hayastan All-Armenian Fund's US Eastern Region affiliate in Artsakh's medical sector. Years ago, the Stepanakert Polyclinic was built with funds raised by the fund's USA Eastern affiliate. It is a unique facility in Artsakh in terms of the medical services it provides. We are very pleased and thank all those who have contributed. They are donating funds for our Armenian brothers and sisters. The Shengavit boarding school, a singular institution in Armenia's capital, has been totally renovated with joint financing by the fund's British affiliate and benefactors in Armenia. A state-of-the-art facility has been built, a wonderful and nurturing environment for our children. They love to come to the kindergarten. Principal Martuni says that before the renovations had been completed, the number of children enrolled had increased. In the past, the school had over 140 students, of whom 70 were boarders. Today, 150 of the 250 students enrolled board at the kindergarten. The kindergarten is a boarding school, the only one in Yerevan. Destitute children from the capital and outlying regions, kids from single-parent homes, all attend this school. It was created especially for them. They love attending the school. The fund is renovating the entire facility, which has a total area of 1,600 square meters. Major components of the project include a complete overhaul of the school's facade, the construction of a new lobby, and creation of additional space through the conversion of open balconies into glass-covered, heated rooms. We've received a television, refrigerators, and washing machines as gifts. The children didn't have proper bedding. Now they do. Everyone is in high spirits. The children are happy to have such furniture and all the rest. The Armenian benefactors from Great Britain haven't only financed the school's renovation, but they also look after the other needs of the children from afar. We remain in constant contact. They telephone and ask how things are progressing. Once, they even sent doctors, a dentist and psychologist for the children. I want to say thanks for all the love and care that has been shown to us, and for the fact that we haven't been neglected. Last September, festivities marked the opening of the community centre in the village of Artzni in Lori Mars and the launch of a new gas pipeline. 2 years ago, with support from the Indian government, the All-Armenian Fund carried out a total renovation and refurbishing of the village's school. We were here 2 years ago for the school's opening. At the time, I stated that we had other projects to implement and that we wouldn't be leaving the village. As you can see, we have kept our promise. The village community centre was renovated with funds donated by the Armenian community in Montreal, Canada. A 5-kilometre-long gas pipeline was installed with financing from the fund's Germany affiliate. Know that it is due to the generosity of these individuals that we are able to carry out numerous projects in Armenia and Artsakh. This is how Fund Executive Director Arav Artanyan introduced the Armenian guests from the diaspora who had travelled to Artzni. As you know, 2 years ago we contributed to the renovation of this building, the village mayor's office, a small library, etc. Today I'd like to say that this hall scheduled to open is the result of the work carried out by the Armenian youth of Montreal. Thus, the border village of Artzni has once again seen its name added to the list of victorious villages. These are rural communities where the All-Armenian Fund has achieved large results from small projects. The Hand in Hand programme is a unique monthly feature that showcases the projects and accomplishments of the All-Armenia Fund. It allows Armenians the world over to see exactly how their contributions are being used for the benefit of the people of Armenia and Artsakh. Every contribution, whenever made, assists in the development of Armenia and Artsakh. Contributions can be made any time and at any hour. It is you who decides.